Let's go to the solution for problem statement 3. Problem statement 3 says get the list of airports in the US from which flights are not departed in the month of 2008 January. This is an example for auto join. We need to get those airports which are in airport codes but not in 2008 January air traffic dataset. Based on the side of the airport codes dataset, we can say left or right. We will invoke join using airport codes dataset and hence we will use left auto join. In this case, we have one-to-many relationship between airport codes and air traffic data. This will take care of creating the Spark session object. This will take care of setting the property called as Spark SQL shuffle partitions to 2. This is primarily to use minimum resources while joining this small dataset. Now, this will take care of creating the data frame by name air traffic by reading the data from this location. This location contains files using Parquet format and hence we are using spark.read.parquet to create this data frame by name air traffic. You can see that air traffic data frame is created successfully by projecting some of the fields from it. You can preview the output here. You can also get the count. We have 605,659 flight details for the month of 2008 January. Now this will take care of creating a data frame related to US airports. When I say this, it is nothing but a function. We have created a function called as get valid airport codes. It takes the path of the location where we have the airport codes dataset. It will read that dataset, filter for US airports and return that data frame which have only the US airports. Using this function, we are passing airport codes here and then creating data frame by name airport codes. It will contain only those airport details which belongs to US. You can see the count of such airports. We have 443 such airports. The total number of airports are 500 plus. Now you should be able to perform the join between airport codes and air traffic for this problem statement like this. As part of the join, we are passing air traffic. This is the join condition. As airport codes is the one which is being used to invoke join, we have to use left here. We have one-to-many relationship between airport codes and air traffic. Airport codes is parent table, which means it is the driving table. As we are invoking join using the driving table, we have to say left here. It will give us all the flight details which satisfy this join condition plus those additional airport details from which flights are not departed. All the fields with respect to air traffic for such records will be null. We are using origin and we are actually saying null. And we are filtering out those records which have match in the air traffic because we are interested in only those airports from which the flights are not departed. Now you can actually select all the fields from airport codes after filtering for origin is null, and also you can get origin details as well. You can see the output here. So these are the airports from which flights are not departed in the month of 2008 January. This is how you should be able to perform left auto join and solve such kind of problems. As we are able to preview only 20 records, let's get the count of such airports from which flights are not departed in the month of 2008 January. For that, we can copy this, paste it here, replace this show with count. We can also remove this select because we are not going to project anything. This will take care of returning the count for us. We have 173 airports from which the flights are not departed in the month of 2008 January, which means out of 443 airports, 173 airports are not used in the month of 2008 January.